Hello friends, today we are going to unbox JBL GO Bluetooth speakers. It was available in two colors. I purchased it in Amazon at the price of $16.99. Without wasting time, let's get started. Here we go. Here they mentioned that speakers working with Bluetooth. They said that on one-time charging it will work for 5 hours. One-time charging time is 2.5 hours. Some more features are mentioned here. They provided our speaker and a box along with it. In this box they given a USB cable for charging, which is in orange color. We got a user manual also in this box. Speaker weight is around 130 grams and it was a little bit small in size. They given power, Bluetooth, volume adjustment, calling buttons. On the side of speaker we have 3.5 mm jack, charging port, voice assistant buttons which supported Google and Alexa. Let me plug it up. They give you a separate light for indicating charging. On power it on, we can see that the LED is blinking slowly. On hitting the Bluetooth button, speaker switches to pairing mode. Then the LED blinks speedily. I am pairing my device with speaker. Finally, let me to play some music. I don't say that it was not louder, but it is suitable for small rooms because the speaker output is just 3 watts. They said that it was battery backup up to 5 hours, but it actually giving 4 to 4.5 hours. So that's it with the unboxing guys. Let me see you in next video.